Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, check this out. This was in McDonald's in Makati, here in Manila. So please check out. You might find something. Okay, thank you guys again. So guys, sharing some inspirational reads while showing you the video of McDonald's. Yun wala akong magawa. So thank you guys. And I quote by Vicky M. Worsham, remember what is most important. It's not having everything go right. It's facing whatever goes wrong. It's not being without fear. It's having the determination to go on in spite of it. What is most important is not where you stand, but the direction you're going in. It's more than never having bad moments. It's knowing you are always bigger than the moment. It's believing you have already been given everything you need to handle life. Unquote by Vicky M. Worsham. Remember what is most important. So isn't it guys, it's nice to read some inspirational things like this, so we will be uplifted and inspired again. I appreciate your time guys. Please subscribe to my channel so I can go on with this journey. Thank you guys again. I really appreciate it. So have some time to read. Thank you guys. Bye. Guys, I know this is not a famous channel with 0 subscribers, but I really appreciate a subscribe. It's a very new channel. I do have my exercise channel. It's right here. Please check out also if you want to have somehow develop or practice discipline in exercising and somehow eating if you like. Okay, so guys, please support my channel. Thank you. I appreciate it, guys.